1 hour versus 10-hour fried chicken. For the 1 hour fried chicken, combine buttermilk and egg, salt, garlic powder, paprika, and chili powder and brine your chicken for 45 minutes. You can obviously go longer, but the goal is to make fried chicken in an hour. Then make a dry batter by combining all-purpose and rice flour, cornstarch, baking powder, salt, white pepper, garlic and chili powder, and the secret ingredient, instant dashi. Double dredge your chicken, then fry at 325F for about 10 minutes until GBD, and that's your 1 hour fried chicken. For the 10-hour fried chicken, start by making a brine with water, salt, soy sauce, and mirin. Then let your chicken soak up that flavor for at least 6 hours. Pat the chicken dry, then dredge in the same dry batter as before and fry at 250F for 4 to 5 minutes. Make a wet batter by taking some of the dry batter and adding ice cold beer and vodka. Then dunk your chicken and fry at 320F for about 2 minutes and rest again. Repeat the previous step one more time before cranking up your oil to 375F and frying for the 4th and final time to get this ridiculous looking crust. I glazed the fried chicken and it was finally time to put these two head to head. That sauce is money. It's still incredibly juicy even after being brined for only 45 minutes. I have no words. That crust is like glass. This is the crispiest fried chicken I've ever had. Oh my god. It wins hands down. Totally worth the effort. You have to try it for yourself. Thanks Yum Crunch for making this happen.